Hi, welcome to SMAC's video tutorials. In this tutorial we're going to look a little bit more at the one-page scroll and using dynamic content to populate a layer. So let's have a look. So in web pages, in a previous tutorial we looked at the one-page scroll whereby items that are contained under the home page, you can see here, will be rendered as a scroll, so that the layers will be in layer after layer after layer, and it's very popular to see that in websites. We're happy to scroll, and websites load very quickly these days, so we can have many layers, but the thing is we need to be able to control and update the content on the layer. So the SMAC system allows you to really hammer in and nail the layer that you're looking at. Let's just have a look to see the website. So we've got our main area here, and then we've got our scrolling area here. So let's have a look and see how this is put together. So we've got our list all. I'm going to focus on the team page, okay? Because the team page is kind of different, because what the team page is doing is it's just one little bit of code, special bit of code that renders the team. So let's have a look at the team. The team, this is it. This is the team here. So how have I managed to render the team with just this one little bit of code? Have a look. So down here we have shortcuts, and these shortcuts are dynamic bits of text that can be inserted into the page that actually, rather than showing that bit of text, we actually look up the database, look up a layout and build something. We've got calendars. We've got calendar. We can have a calendar. We can have all sorts of information. We just select this text block here, insert it into the page, and there we got our calendar. So for this example, we're going to have a simple example, and we're just showing our team. So let's have a look at the team. This is the team here. All it is entries, picture, title, summary, bit of text here, and that's it. But now we're displaying that in a new way. So let's have a look to see how we're displaying that. So we go to team. You can see here we've got news, preset 3 column. Okay, so team, we go in here, we've got news, preset 3 column, preset 2 column, preset 1 column. So these are code blocks that we're going to select and copy and put into our page. Let's select this one, and I'm going to copy that now in here, underneath. So you can see the difference. I've just copied that text block, and the difference is that this one has got XXX in it, and this one has got a number. So where did I get this number from? So let's have a look. So now if I render this page, let's see what's going to happen. Yeah, that's all okay. Yeah, that's rendered nicely, but this one has not worked out at all. So let's see why that has happened. So the way this works is this area here in between these square brackets here is a layout ID. So we go into layouts, and then we can select a layout, settings, layouts, and we've got events, team, search. These events and team are the same system. So we can have a look, search results, and we can go through all these here and think, hey, these are really nice. I really like this. So we can go. Let's go to news. in user preset. So you can see here, these are our pre-defined layouts. So we can select this one. We can select the round one. Let's select the round one so you can see the difference. So we're going to copy this. And now we're going to go back into our team block here. And we're going to copy that here. So I've just copied that from the layouts. So let's have a look and see what is happening here. We've got news preset, but we've got one column. And this is our ID of the layout. So we want 3 column. So this is going to be a different layout. And you can see with just this little block of code, we've got to refresh our template shell. Now going to have round areas now. So what the system does is it takes the data and reworks it. You don't have to type it in again. Let's just go back into team. I think it was 239 I quite liked. 239. So let's render that. So we're back to where we were, 239. Yeah, I like that. But now I'd like a bit more of a fancy image in the back here. Let's do that. Now the system will take on the home page, this will only work on the home page, these dynamic layers here. We can have a nice background image. Let's upload a nice, so you're not seeing now a computer, but I'm going to select my test images folder. I'm going to go for a nice look for a nice background image as well. I'm going to go for this image here. That's interesting. I'm not going to crop that because I want the whole page to, I mean, I can play with it here as well if I want. Move that around. I think that's another tutorial I've done on that one there, but we'll take that and we'll go crop and then save. That's now our background image now. So let's have a look at our scrolling page, and we can see now that scroll layer has that background image and has our text over the top. You can see now the layer will want to change. You'll want white in here. So this is where the manipulation of the layers will come in handy. But you can see it is a very, very powerful system because I can now put white overlay over the top of that, which will give the background a bit more it won't be so strong, the background. Right, let's just pick that, and in here we've got that. Yep. Save that, and we can see that the background is not quite as strong. And that is a very nice tutorial indeed. And I do love the background images. I think the background images they really work well, you know. They really do enhance a layer very nice indeed. And there we go. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and look forward to showing you the next one.